Hello, you curious bunch of kiddos. Welcome to the Neo Kid. Today, we are going to learn the phonic sound of A. Can you repeat after me? The phonic sound of A is A. A. Let's start with the phonic sound of A. A. Repeat after me. A for apple. A for ant. A for apple. A for ant. What is the first sound you hear? A. The phonic sound of A is A. Well done. Let's do this again and make it more fun. I want you to repeat after me. The phonic sound of A is A. Let's see if we can use the sound A in this rhyme. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for apple, so red and so sweet. An ant crawling on it in search of a treat. Let's see few more words that start with the letter A. So the first sound you would hear is A. Shall we? Repeat after me. A is for arm. A is for arrow. A is for aeroplane. Let's make this more fun. On the screen, you will see 4 images. Can you guess what are these? Let me give you a hint. All of these images start with the sound A. The first letter is A and the sound it starts with is A. Can you quickly tell me what are these? Point at the screen and tell the name. Do you see an alarm? Wow! And do you see an angel? Great! Do you see an astronaut? Wow! And do you see an alligator? Well done, kids! You guys were amazing at it. I hope this video was helpful and you learned the letter A and its phonic sound A. Subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.